Okay guys, this is a little Honda mower got for my dad, and I just mowed the hell out of that thing, mowing back over here, all up in there, wet as hell, very abusive. It survived pretty decent okay. But I also want to talk to you guys today about the difference between a lawn tractor, a riding mower, and a garden tractor. Now, the John Deere 140 is a garden tractor for several reasons. One, bolted rear wheels, heavy duty. It has hydraulics, solid axle, heavy duty front end, more hydraulics, and a big tough cast iron engine, which I don't know if you can see it or not, down in there, shaft driven. Now, a riding lawnmower or lawn tractor will have bolts set up like this with a kingpin, castle nut on the rear. It will not have a bolted rear end, but it will more look like this Honda over here, which is strictly a riding mower, most of which are rear mounted engine, like this one is, no hydraulics, and see how that's mounted? It's not bolted, it's not tough, it's just strictly for mowing the yard, as well as a lawn tractor would be, because it don't have the hydraulics or the heavy duty frame like a garden tractor, which can be used to mount loaders and other implements which are hydraulically driven. So hopefully you found this helpful, and remember, keep it green, and if you abuse your equipment, you could possibly kill it.